Can you dance?
Play music.
Put your music on.
Play music.
You just flipped it right on and started boogieing this morning. Can you turn it on? Shake that booty! Woohoo! Ooh, there's other songs? Yeah! Get into it! Oh, that was some good dancing news. Who is that?
Kitty cat.
Can you say kitty? Can you say kitty?
What's kitty cat say? What's the kitty cat say? Mama.
Mama. Mama. Sounds like mama, but it's mama. Meow
What's
meow.
a doggy say?
Good job. What's a walrus say? Yeah.
What's a cow say?
Good job.
What's an elephant say? Elephant?
Did it.
What's
Ewan,
a
what's an elephant say? What's a fox say?
Fox.
Oh, you want to ride the cow now. Ewan, what's your fox say?
What's a fox say?
Yeah, panting.
What's a lion say? What's a lion say? Roar.
No, that's what Ewan says. Can you give Daddy
Right.
give
Right.
Daddy a kiss?
Kiss.
Give Daddy a kiss.
Thank
Aw.
you. That's a sweet boy.
You're such a nice boy.
Can you
aren't
ride it? Ride your cow. Ride him.
Who is that? Early morning cow riding. That's the best. Woo! Are you going to go to Uncle Colin, Aunt Shelby's, and see Cousin Lily and watch your first Husker game? Well, not really your first, but first of this season. Daddy's got your Husker gear out and ready to go. You going to wear your Husker jersey that Adam gave you? You go terrorize the kitty. Oh, little yellow ball. It's just for you, huh? Yeah. You like to terrorize the kitties lately, don't you? Wagon? You like to pull that wagon? Yeah, ducks, you better watch out.
And make a mess.
Let the mess begin. It's 8:31. Can you pull it?
Throw it. Throw the ball. Throw it. Yeah.
You gotta let go to throw it. Oh, it's your tongs. Mommy's gonna get your nose. Gonna get your nose. Throw the ball. Ewan, can you show me no? Can you tell me no? Shake your head.
Can you say no?
No, no, Mommy. There you go. We're getting all your tricks out this morning. Can you walk with your stuff? Oh, yeah. You're a pretty cool dude now.
Say hi, kitty.
Terrorizing the kitty, man. Oh, tongs. You got a treasure. You got a treasure. Ugh. Ugh. He's like, what, Mom? Can you dance again? Ewan, can you dance? I want to see you dance. Let's dance. Can you dance for me, please? Or are you all done? Oh, boom. One more dance? Ewan. It wants you to dance. Can you turn your music on? Turn your music on.
What's your music? Music?
Music. How about your tongs? Got your tongs. Doing the squat. You and you're getting boring. Ah, there's the music. There you go. You just gotta dance to that rhythm, man. Shy gonna teach you how to dance? Hopefully not Mommy and Daddy. Yeah, that's scary, isn't it? See you later, everybody. Bye-bye.